Can we help our kids get better at stuff by paying someone else? Nope, not really. It's way cooler to get them involved at home, like in the kitchen. Give them easy stuff like pasta, rice, or beans. Let them help out whenever you're making something to eat. They love it. Let them wash, wipe, pour, fill, try things out. Let them fill their buckets. Even if it means more mess and work for you, be patient and don't get mad when they mess up. Everyone messes up sometimes, especially when they are learning. Praise their efforts and give them a hand when they need it. Remember, every master was once a beginner, and making mistakes is an essential part of the learning process. Just be careful and make sure they are safe. You'll be amazed at how much they can learn just by helping out at home.